For now, we're going to test the charge and discharge circuit of this ultracapacitor management system. So for this testing, these are design circuit for this charge and discharge. As you can see, we're going to check the charge enable, CP enable, and discharge enable. So this is the algorithm or the control algorithm for the discharge charge enable for the charge and discharge circuit, and we'll just verify the signal that does it received by the board from the local PC. So this is the charge and discharge circuit, and this is the pins corresponding to the BQ76200, which are the P-charge enable, discharge enable. But for this test, we're just going to test discharge enable, charge enable, and CP enable. So yes, pin J14 here, pin J14. J14 is the charge enable. So when I charge enable, see, it means this oscilloscope acknowledges the command sent by the LPC to the BQ76200. So from this PC going to this CDC circuit of the capacitor management system. CDCC circuit is the charge and discharge circuit. So now we're going to move it to pin 15 or J15. So this now it's connected to J15. So J15 is the discharge enable. So we're going to control the discharge enable like this. See? So it means that the BQ76200, which is used for the CDC circuit, acknowledges the command. And lastly, for the CP enable is the J16. So for J16, we're going to put it here. So that's J16. So for J16, same test. So we verify the acknowledgement of the command received here in this oscilloscope. By the way, we use 25 volts power supply for the CDCC, and this our test load, which is a motor. So for this one, it means that the communication between the local PC and the charge discharge circuit of this capacitor management system is successful. So yes, this is just for verification of the CDCC circuit.